What are you saying?
Naked.
Okay, just your face.
Man, when we arrived here, I just felt something was wrong. Because you know, ant don't just follow something like that.
Man, this is crazy, man. And when we came here, actually there were many, like they were like maybe 600 to 1,000, right?
Yeah.
And now, actually,
she knows that.
Look, these are ejaculations, man. You see? What are they eating? What? Angel City, man. This Airbnb is not what I expected.
Bad review.
Bad review. I'll take a picture and send it to the owner of this Airbnb. Yeah. Hey, we're in Angel City. Let me show you a shocking part. So, you see these things here? Let me open here so that you can see. Okay, let me do it like I'm fixing this. Okay, let me put it here. This way. Look, man. See this? Look. This is our bed. Look. See that? So I'm thinking it feels like an ejaculation. Did I just say that? Oh. Man, look. No. This thing is too dirty. I think we shall have to ask them to change this for us.
Yeah.
Can we ask them to change it for us?
Yeah.
This is too much, man. Wow.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Yeah.
You are FBI?
No. They think I'm an FBI.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Everybody here in Jamaica. Bring it that nightlife. Marwa.
My name is Mo.
Hi, I'm Maylin.
And I'm Reid.
We're dancers from San Diego, and you're watching I Am Marwa.
Hey, what's up? I'm in Miami.
Welcome to Rwanda.
Mexico. This is my last day in Dominican Republic.
Where we at? We're at the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
As you see here, welcome to Japan.
Yo, what's up people? This is crazy because I don't know if you identify this place where I am, but I think maybe from the title you already know. So I just want to show you the place we're staying here. It's me and my friend. We came here, Kanuri. I know you've seen him in most of my videos now because he's my guide. So we came here. We're gonna be staying here for 3 days in this apartment. This is how it looks like. It looks like a home. It reminds me actually of my home. Most houses in my village look like this from the outside. See, that's how it is. But I'm so new here. I don't know walk and scare people wow, we just saw somebody. So this is how it looks like. Very chill, calm. So this is Angel City. Angel City. It looks like a home. See? But it looks like many people right now, they have gone to work. So we are staying somewhere here in this room. I want to show you I'm paying $20, or we are paying $20 per night. So let's see how it looks like, man. One thing that really made us stay here was the internet. Like, that was number one thing, because they advertised the entire advertisement of this room, or advertisement of this room, was purely based on the internet. And for a guy like me who have not done live streams and stuff, I decided I want to come here because just of the internet, not even the bed or room. Okay, hello, so let's go here. Sorry, it's now in a mess, as you see. I just opened my laptop here, and this is laptop for my friend Kanuri. I don't know where he is. This is where we are staying. Oh, you're in the bathroom? He's in the bathroom. And right here, this is the bed. And this room, as you see it has the AC. Okay, it has the AC. Outside, that's how it looks like. And let's see, man. Closet. See, you know, here they must have this thing. Very important. Somebody can go with your entire stuff if you don't have that. And you know, this Angel City, I don't know if you guys know why this city is popular. If you don't know, please read the comments. And for those who know, please drop your comment. It's just a chill review of this house. $20. Okay. Here it has a fridge. Okay. The seats, it's empty. I wish they would even put some 2 waters to welcome a visitor. Many places I've been to, they always put 2 waters at least. Here you see there's cooking stuff, meaning you can cook. This is for the rice. My brother is in the bathroom, so I'll not show you that for now. They have a coil and also kettle here to boil water. Utensils here. So in other words, the kitchen that you see, you'll only be able to cook using this. So, electricity. And they have a table and 2 chairs, as you see. And right here is like a free space. Maybe you just want to chill. I think also maybe you want to wash your clothes. Yeah, you can tell. People wash clothes. Let me see. Yeah, you see. You want to wash your clothes, and you can see there's a clothesline here. There's a clothesline here. Yeah, and this is the Wi-Fi box. That stuff. That's why they put us here, because we just told them what brought us here was the internet, nothing else. Yeah, so that's how it looks, man. A $20 room. $20 room. It has a couch here. It's because it's messed up with my laptop, with a lot of stuff we have. Oh, it has a TV. What else is here? Wow. Actually, it's kind of okay. Kind of okay, you know? Not actually kind of. It's okay. It's really okay. And another thing is, from here, the outside, the road is just... Let me show you where the road is. Oh. So, this is our neighborhood. See? Very rich people. If you go straight here, you can see cars passing over there. Yeah, you see? Those are cars passing. Those ones are cars right there. So it's just very easy. You get dropped there and you walk here. Very popular. I think this is a hotel too. Yeah. So Angel City. And you see, you can also wash your clothes like this and put them out. Yeah. This is a $20 room. We're going to be exploring Angel City for many reasons. One is because this city is very popular worldwide. And number 2 is we just want to see how things are right now during COVID, or maybe this year 2020, because let me sit here. Entirely 2020 has been more of a crazy year, up and down and struggles. Yeah. What else I'm forgetting, man? I think I've done the review of the room. Maybe I'll say, man, we shall be here maybe for 1 week. Then I go to another city called San Fernando. They are very close to each other. It's like they actually like it's like one city, but just not very far, like 5 minutes drive. Then from San Fernando, I'll stay there maybe for 3 or 4 days, then head back to Manila. Then from there, I'll be planning my way to leave the Philippines. It's sad because I didn't have enough, I don't know, I had enough time. I just didn't have enough access to these other places like Bohol, Cebu. So I just found myself here. But I can easily tell Cebu, if I compare Cebu with a Thailand city, it sounds more of a Phuket. And this city here, Angel City, I say city, you may say city. This Angel City here feels more of Pattaya of Thailand. And they're actually very similar, these two cities, you know. People travel there for some type of pleasure, but that's not what we are here. We are here to explore, and I'm not saying it's wrong or it's good. I'm just saying, at least that's why this city is very famous. So even this video will be just a raw video, just me trying to let you know I'm in Angel City. Before we do real streets, we try to see what's the situation here during COVID. Are clubs open? We shall be answering those questions in our next video. But please ensure you subscribe to the channel. Ensure you put that bell notification so that you don't miss. And what else, man? I was thinking about security, you know. I was surprised they don't have cameras. See, they don't have cameras here. But there's a security guard outside. The security guard, it's wrong to point a camera, but the guy you see out there, he's a security guard. Right there. So, yeah. So we shall be here for maybe a week. Kanuri, have you finished your bathroom stories? I think I'm rude. You know, I was waiting for him to finish up. He's in the bathroom, so I could show you the bathroom and maybe place to take a shower. But all in all, it doesn't look that bad. It really doesn't look that bad. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. It looks pretty decent. Yo, Kanuri.
Yo.
You finished?
Yeah.
You took exactly 10 minutes. You guys excuse my manners. I'm just...
You know what happened?
No.
Actually, I was done.
Yeah.
But you know, social media, man, I was with my phone, I was lost.
Oh,
I was lost in the restroom, so I was...
Wait, were you on Tinder, Kanuri?
Man, you know I cannot...
Oh. So let me show you how this place looks. It looks like this. Maybe we shall have to clean it. We mess it a little bit. But that's how it looks like. They have hot shower. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Please, I want to say thank you so much. Check Kanuri's YouTube channel right here. We shall be doing more videos about this city. And, you know, we shall just give it the best we can. But for now, I want to say thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. This is my simple life in Angel City. I want to do a thumbnail. Oh. This thing knocked me. My simple life. Welcome to my simple life in Angel City in the Philippines. The infamous or famous Angel City, depending how you look at it, man. Let's do a room tour here. Quick room tour and then an update on what's going on. I am Marwa.
All I need is you, baby, baby.